Yeah, but you see, let me tell you something.
Let me tell you this,
Let me tell you something.
They shouldn't get no minimum wage increase. You know, this is not fair to say. This is not fair to say, but this is why partisan politics now go cut out of Jamaica. Now go cut out, you know. Because, brethren, me I tell you the truth. Boy, me can't even say it. Me can't even say it. Something wrong.
All right. Just hold it right there, son, neighbor. Hold it right there, son. Because you see, when you look at the numbers, you know, for the JLP that voted for the JLP and the numbers that voted for the PNP, you have to question. You really have to question it because 403,000 people voted for the PNP to gain power. It is not normal because what were they really voting for? If you listen to the message from their platform, if you saw their activities on the platform and the candidates that they put forward to represent Jamaica, how many of them are of the same standard as the JLP's people? How many of them can be that diplomat or that presence in front of other people from foreign lands? That is the question. And you tell me that 403,000 people went and voted against the performance and prosperity of this country. It is appalling. And if the statistics were correct that 2 million and odd people were estimated to vote, what happened to those people? That only
the Labour Party must start campaigning
immediately.
You have to govern the country.
Yes.
And I'm speaking now to the Labour Party. Jamaica Labour Party, if you are going to change this country, well, you know, I'm going to talk to them. I'm going to talk to you, Labour Party, because there are some things that you must do. You should be very concerned. Mr. Holness and his people, you should be very concerned that having spent 9 years governing this country. Did you know, sir? Are you there?
Yeah, man, may I listen?
Did you know, sir, that the debt that Jamaica owed in 2016 was
140
little bit of GDP, you know?
Yeah, man.
And did you know, sir, that it is projected to be at 60% soon?
Yeah.
Now, if that is not transformation, tell me what is. Tell me what is. And 403,000 people were not aware of that.
Because they don't want the information, neighbor. The information is there for you to search online and find it.
They weren't aware of that, sir. You can't tell me that you vote against your own interests. You can't say good and call it evil.
You see, the good book said, you know, they call evil good and good evil.
This so sound like a demonic. This sound demonic, sir. You know real.
You know real.
No real.
You know real.
No real. What happened in this election? It's not real, sir.
It's not real, man. It's like science. It's science.
You know, we're going to find out what, you know, sir. We're going to find out what, because it's not real.
Neighbor, it won't take long for all of us find out what really happened. But I think we all know what exactly happened, neighbor. We're not full to it, you know. Am I telling a lie, Navi? We don't all know what happened on election day in various places. No one in the chat don't know exactly what happened, don't. You can't speak the truth, you know. Because look here, over the years when election are run, neighbor, there were certain activities that people carry on with when it came to election day.
But stick up in.
Yeah.
The PNP expected to win.
That's what I said earlier.
The PNP were expecting to win the election, sir. To overcome and win the majority and win the election. Now let me ask you a question, brethren. Because I tell you something, you know. I'm not saying this here because I am a supporter of the Jamaica Labour Party. Because I am not. If that had happened, I wouldn't be sitting here tonight, you know, sir.
None of us would be sitting here tonight unless
I couldn't deal with that. You're gonna tell me that PNP win election after the record that this government campaigned on? It's not. Listen to me, sir. This is not a real place. And I'm telling Mr. Holness, you don't need a Ministry of Education. You need a Ministry of Human Development.
Jesus.
You don't need a Ministry of Education, Mr. Holness. Change that. What you need to do is to turn upon the Ministry of Education into the Ministry of Human Development. And you must peer development, all the facets of development, including social development.
Yes.
You follow what I'm trying to say to you? And you have to empower the Ministry of Human Development. Must not be a ministry that is about sending picnic to school. It must be about enlightening the citizens of Jamaica. The citizens of Jamaica, sir, they are dark. Some of them are very backward.
Say it again, neighbor. Say it again.
I'm saying to you, sir, that we need to transform the Ministry of Education. You know what education is? Education, sir, is delivering people from ignorance. That's what education is. It's not subjects, sir. It is to take people out of darkness.
And put them
it is to enlighten their minds. And the Ministry of Human Transformation and Human Development must not only be responsible for primary, junior high school, and it must be responsible for every single Jamaican. Must be delivered, sir, from ignorance.
That's true, man.
We must pursue education. Find the money. You see that $11 billion that they want to take out of the NHT and put it back? Put it into developing your people. Yes? Because, my brother, road, infrastructure, that no vote, you know, sir. You think road vote? Let me tell you something. If hospitals voted, Holness would have get 50 seats. If police stations voted, the man would have win 50 seats. You hear me?
Yeah.
If highways voted, how much seat would Holness win? Huh?
53.
If the GDP voted, it would have win more seats. But it's people. Yeah. It's people that vote. And so it is people, sir, that you have to enlighten. Don't talk about, look what happened at St. Thomas. If the urban center could vote, who would it vote for?
It would vote for Michelle Charles. But you see, neighbor, you touch something there, that people are dark and they are not in the light. That is one of the things that helped carried PJ Patterson and his led government to so many victories in the poll, because people were so caught up in darkness. They'd never see the light to say, you know what, this government is doing a lot of wrong things with our money, with our infrastructures. Because listen, Andrew Holness inherited a country that was broken. It was in the dumpster, right? And it took him, and it's still taking him a long time to try and fix up. But now he has to be pressured with these abundance of problems now, where you have to re-educate the nation again. And a number of things, as you said before, change the Ministry of Education and change.
We need to transform human development in this country. And let me tell you this, of who music up here. Let me tell you this, sir.
Yeah.
We are focused on We are focusing here, sir,
All this,
on,
yeah.
on developing on helping our children to pass subject.
Subjects,
We are
yeah.
not doing a good job developing our people to be logical, to be critical thinkers, to be problem solvers. What happened a couple last Wednesday, sir, when the people went to the poll, is an irrational set of people. A people that don't value facts. They are emotional, and I was going to do a little bit of talk on that in terms of the being, where you are not developed, sir, when you are making decision on the emotional plane. You are like a child, that sees fire, and in exploring, they push their hand in the fire. Yes, sir. And that is about development, sir. Our people, sir, are not at the place where they understand issues. Issues don't matter to them. It's a corridor. It's a corridor type of mentality. And white rice or white rum. They chin out their teeth and then laugh. They don't consider the consequences of the decisions they are making. And that is why, sir, it's not a joke. That is why we need to seriously look at the democracy, because a democracy with so many people irrational is a democracy that is really very, very threatened, sir.
Yeah, very much.
Because do you realize how close we came to losing the hard-earned gains that we would have made over the last 2 decades or so?
Yeah, very much.
Because when you're going to take $75 billion to give to 110,000 people, that, sir, is almost setting the economy back.
Yes.
And the PNP was determined to do it. Had they won, they would have instituted this flawed policy of 3.5, which was nothing than a vote catching proposal. Because had it been well thought out, then Mr. Robinson would go talking about organic growth, as if organic growth is something that just happened.
Yeah, because if your country is not able to grow to balance this 3.5, then you're going to look for a bankruptcy, borrowing of money again.
Michael Manley brought in, Jamal, which, wasn't a bad idea, because it was trying to get on to more literacy. We have to get our people to be literate, sir. I think the last figure I saw to the Ministry of Education is that 312 or 315,000 Jamaicans can't read, sir, are illiterate. Then how they end up on voters list? And I go vote. I go mark X. Do you know how many ballots are spoiled there, sir? And some people are not even able to mark the X.
Exactly.
Yeah? They go into the ballot box and then spoil the one because of the mark an X. They can't even mark an X. Now, if you can't mark an X, what you are going to vote? What you are vote for? You shouldn't be voting. You can't mark an X. What you are going to vote? Because if you can't mark an X, that means that you don't even know who to vote for. What you are going to vote for? Sir, it is a serious matter.
Neighbor, I hear a young man say one night on a platform, say that what the government should do. He doesn't know if he's just saying something, but he said that the government should allow people that are capable of reading and writing to vote. And the ones that can't read and write, let them stay home, because they are the ones.
That is a debate we have to have. But the point I am making, and it's a very, very important point, is that rationality, illogical folks, it's a failure of development. And I'm not saying education. It's a failure of how we develop our people in Jamaica. We have to develop our people, sir. We have to develop our people to be rational, to be problem solvers, to be people that thinks. And I wonder if it is in the opposition's interest to do that. I've never heard the PNP speak of heart. Never heard them speak of it.
You want to hear them speak.
Why haven't the comrades spoken of heart? I've never heard them speak of sending students to heart.
You know
Yes,
the
I
problem.
made a proposal, sir, that when the parties are having these large meetings and conferences, that they should get heart into those meetings to register our people.
You see, neighbor, let me tell you what the problem is. Because of this socialist behavior that Manley brought in those many years ago, right? And he introduced giving away the revenue at the time, that is the revenue of the country to the people back then. Why he won the election at that time. And from there on out, what happened was the people looked forward for him to always be giving them things freely without them working for it. Because I remember my mother tell me back a while ago that her mother used to get paid and she never one day go to work for anything in her life yet. And they had the crash program going on those times. She always get money. She collect brown paper check. And she said, Mommy, me never see you go to work before. And she said, yeah, idiot. Me they get my money. And it is because of those kind of behaviors. People become tribalists based off of those kind of behaviors. Because if you keep on adding fish to their plate, they won't learn how to go and fish. That is the problem. And if you don't implement these things, people will always be looking forward for you to give them fish. And the mentality becomes, oh, I know that he or she will take care of me. That should not be the case. People must be independent in the sense, I want to go out there, find a job, work, and put my money together to build my own thing.
Have to leave it there,
the days of leeching off is done, you know, neighbor.
Have to leave it there.
Yeah, you have to leave it there?
Yeah, man. So we talk again tomorrow.
Oh, you're leaving now?
No, man. I have my line is long. They're cussing me out.
All right. All right, then. They want to join you now. All right.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
All right. We talk again, neighbor.
Nice talking.
Man. Pick up yourself, Navi.
All right. 876 858 955. That's the number to text. WhatsApp that number, especially if you are in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom. And when you text that number, you'll get a response from us. This is a listener-supported program. Yes, no. So we are asking you to text that number and ask for the particulars so that you can make a donation to keep the program going. Please remember that tomorrow at 11 o'clock, we start a brand new show that is called Hello Neighbor Daytime, 11 a.m. And then we'll have another show at 7 p.m. called Hello Neighbor Primetime. Fascinating stuff as we see how best to put ourselves into providing you with factual, accurate, and incisive news commentary with a little bit of entertainment. All right, you can't afford to miss it. Please support the live goal that is on your screen. Also remember to tap the screen, and share the live. That's how we build a platform. So if you have not yet followed us, follow the page. We want to get up to 30,000. We're about 28,000 now. We want to get up to about 30,000 by tomorrow so that the algorithm pushes Hello Neighbor further. All right. So 540 are you online now? Just tap the screen, like it, and if you can share it, share it. And please remember 876 858 9553. If you WhatsApp us, someone will reach out to you and you can put in a little something so that we can keep going. All right. We do have commitments and we do have expenses related to producing and keeping the show going. We ask you to help us do that. Powerman, are you there? Are you there? Sheila, are you there, Sheila? No, Sheila is not there. All right, so okay, no, Sheila is not there. So it's a Sunday and no. Pure scratching. Where Scratchy is? Pure scratching from Sheila. She not saying a word. All right. Okay. So we have a few little spaces available now. Navi, are you still there?
I am, neighbor.
Well, thank you for staying with me. You are great. You're a great company. So you're in Massachusetts, right?
Yes, neighbor.
And what time classes start tomorrow?
Okay, so I have a class at 8, but it's an elective.
It's a what?
It's an elective. I have my elective at 8.
Elective. Oh. Fantastic. Well, we want to wish you all the best as you go forward with that. And hold on there, Navi. Turn it. Powerman.
Yes, yeah.
Good night, Powerman. Navi is with you.
Yes, night, neighbor, and Navi.
You want to talk to Navi or you want to talk to me?
No, both. No, I'm just saying hi to Navi as well. So she's on the floor.
Where are you, sir? Where are you? Where in Jamaica are you?
Oh, Portmore, neighbor.
You're in Portmore.
Yes, sir. Neighbor, I have 2 words. Those words are megalomaniac and aberration.
Beg your pardon. Hold on.
I have 2 words, sir.
Hold on, no, sir. You're gonna give us big words, man. You have to give us a little time to digest them. Go again. Navi.
All right. The first one is megalomania.
What that mean?
Excessive greediness for power.
Say the word again. Say it again.
Megalomania.
Megalomania.
Yes, sir. Meaning excessive greediness for power.
Yes.
And the next one is aberration, loss of mental control.
I see.
So those are the 2 words that are affecting your position at this moment. It's hard for them to heal at this moment because those 2 words are tormenting them right now.
So a megalomania is someone who has an unnatural, strong desire for power and control.
Yes.
I tell you.
Not in my life I ever heard an opposition declaring a government as outgoing and calling the election. So they are megalomaniac.
I see. Well, I learned a new word. Wow. You're brilliant, man.
Yes. So, well, never, to be honest, you know. I never went to high school, you know.
What are you saying to me? You went to the university?
But I can tell you where
you should be a lecturer at the university. Which university?
I can tell you where I work when everybody wants to hear them come to me. Yes, man, I'm a word man. Anybody want to hear them come to me.
He's a word man.
Yes.
What a girl's man, a word man.
Both of them.
A girl's man?
Yes, I have the word for them as well, neighbor. I have the word for them as well.
For the girls. You have the words for the girls. Oh,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, so I'm saying that
is you that on the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You're a handsome fellow too.
Yes, thanks. Today I was browsing.
Make you handsome.
Yeah, today I was browsing my TikTok and I saw former Prime Minister PJ Patterson, and he was saying that he wants to rescue. He is voting to rescue Jamaica. So I don't see Jamaica in anything to be rescued at this moment. I don't know what he was talking about. Because crime is down. I'm listening to the program from night and everything that you say is spot on. We never see a better Jamaica as this as today.
I'm looking for them making millions to
We have
figure.
never seen a better Jamaica as this as today. So
But sir, why is it that reality was not reflected at the polls? Why you think?
Yeah, sir, I'm listening to the program from even and what some people are saying that even I heard it in this space when I traverse Jamaica is a PNP country. And we need to disabuse that we need to disabuse that
I agree.
because look what is going on, and I want to mention not even 500,000 people voting in the favor of this party. We need to do better than that.
Yes, sir, we agree.
Yes, we need to do better than that because
But you don't agree
Jamaica is
with me,
never.
sir, that what we really need is to begin the process of transforming minds in Jamaica. Not only educating people, but developing our people to be critical thinkers, to be logical thinkers, to be people who reason up. You know, sir, we don't reason in Jamaica, no, we respond. When you listen to some of these lives, you know, sir, you realize the problem we have in Jamaica, you know. 8 people gather up on a screen and they might cuss out each other.
Yeah.
Bad word are fling, people are send people up on their mother, people are called back, people be man. It is ridiculous, sir. This is nonsense. This is illiteracy. That's not reasoning, sir. We respond. People are not listening to each other. You know, we are quick to respond. We don't know how to reason. You don't think that we need to develop our people along the lines of reasoning ability, sir?
Neighbor, how you think I know a lot of things, neighbor? There's no Sunday morning or throughout the week. I live with my observer and my gleaner. Right? At one point, you can't ask me nothing in the world that I can't tell you about.
Yes, sir.
The 4 corner of the earth, I can't tell you a thing of what is happening.
You read, sir.
Read. I went to school, neighbor, and when I leave school, basically, I tell to myself I didn't learn that in school. Because I said to me leave school, majority of the things that me know, and me the author educated man, if you want to say that.
You teach yourself.
And me teach myself.
And you know word like
megalomaniac.
Yes.
Right? Flomax. I was flomax, flabbergasted.
Yes.
You
tell
know,
us
when I when I tell you. You understand?
And you can spell book.
I have the gumption for reading.
Gumption.
Yes, sir. That's
you know the word they can't use. The word they can't use otherwise too, you know, sir.
Yeah, enthusiasm, gumption.
Yeah. They say the girl, you know, they use it, but girls too, the girls them have gumption. And what
that's the girls them are voluptuous.
Yes, voluptuous. Yes.
Yeah. Like Nikisha Burchell, she's a voluptuous lady.
And Miss Kitty.
Yeah, Miss Kitty, right.
Voluptuous, yeah. Yes. And boy, you know about the gumption too.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah, so we have to try to educate. I want to tell a neighbor, in COVID, my son was going at Mona High School at the time, and they were doing online class at home. And I'm a social studies man, you know.
Yes, sir.
And the teacher gave the class a word to spell, hierarchical. And to my surprise, the grade 11 student couldn't spell it. I may have to spell it, and the teacher said, who is that in the background? Is me spell it? And most of the class, I may dominate the class.
Oh boy. And you don't get no subject.
Yeah.
You don't get no subject.
People at my workplace, because maybe they have to go to school here, but me say no, the children, them not to go to school, me I try make them get to me never get.
You have children?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wonderful. They are going to school?
Yes, sir.
Lovely.
Yeah. So I tried what I never, let me tell you something. I'm from St. Ann, southwestern St. Ann, right? And my father and over there, they didn't value education, you know. I what them do, come boy, party donkey and let regard ground. That's all them do. You understand? But you know what me have to do to get something in my head? When me leave ground, me go to my cousin who was going to school and get him notes and write it down and study it and go to school and do my little test and pass it. And try to do something in life.
Very good.
You understand, neighbor? I'm a curriculum officer neighbor for the past 30 years now. Right? Yes, and I'm telling you, neighbor, everybody when they want something to write or whatever, I meet them fine because I'm the words man.
You're the words man, sir.
Sir.
You know, so there's a little lady that I like, and I want to write her a little note, you know, with some lyrics. You could have helped me out.
Yes, man. I want to look when I used to contribute to the Observer too, you know. Yes, man. Put in some nice big word inside there. People never steam ready from them ball, you know. Yes.
So tell me, what could I start the letter by saying? Help me.
Well, it depends on how she looking at if she have a corpulent breast or if she voluptuous.
What type of what? What is what?
Corpulent breast.
Oh.
Yeah. And if she voluptuous or petite or them kind of way there.
Petite.
Yeah.
Petite.
Yeah, petite, yeah.
I see. Wow.
Yeah.
Brothers, are you listening? Petite.
Petite.
Whatever breast you said, sir. Tell us again.
Corpulent.
Corpulent.
Yeah, she aesthetics.
What?
Yeah. Aesthetics. Yes. That is outstanding of beauty.
Yes.
And corpulent, that is fat. Corpulent is fat.
Fluffy.
No, buxom. You would say buxom. That's the one for fluffy. Buxom. Yes.
Aye.
Yeah.
Wow. So what if she's shapely with not little hips? What you call that one now?
That one is the buxom one. The buxom. Yeah.
What if you have a little bottom? You know the little bottom?
Yeah. That's the one. Yeah, man. The buxom. You have the big up on the chest, big and down there is not as big as this. So she's buxom. To plumb around the breast there, but at the waist in the average, she's buxom.
I see. Which one you like?
Yeah. Well, I like the corpulent and voluptuous. Both of them.
Boy, I tell you, this is boy, I tell you. Boy,
never, to be honest, I never talked to a small breast woman yet, you know.
Well.
No, they have to corpulent, yeah, man.
Corpulent. You go on the corpulent and see.
Yes, corpulent and succulent. Corpulent and succulent.
Succulent.
Yes, sir.
Succulent is like you can suck.
The juicy, yeah, succulent, yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Juicy.
Yeah, yes.
Like a patty.
Juicy, like a juice.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, I never heard that at all. I didn't even know that. I didn't know that could happen at all. Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
You can suck them, sir?
Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Breast?
Yes.
I thought that was babies did that.
Sometimes I'm still a baby neighbor, but although I'm big, I'm still a baby.
Oh, I never know that. And you get juice from it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Really?
Yes, sir.
I didn't know that at all. Wow.
But anyway, neighbor, what I'm saying though, those people to live with this thing for 5 years, it's gonna be pain. The 5 point that you mentioned earlier on, it's gonna hard for them to digest. Right now.
I can't concentrate, you know, so I must tell you the truth. I am not concentrating right now because of what you just said about the things. I'm not. You have to give me a little time to process it.
Oh.
I didn't know that there was juice to be gotten from that.
Yes.
I didn't know at all.
Right now, the opposition, they are regurgitating right now. They are regurgitating.
Regurgitating. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good word.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know that one. Regurgitating.
Yeah, right.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yes. Man
So-
of God is saying yes. Boy, I tell you, I'm learning so much from this man.
Yes.
That you can get juice out of breast. I never know that at all.
Yeah.
Let me give me a second. I cannot handle this. Oh, but I tell you something. This man here is something else. No, sir. It is something else to hear this. Oh, I tell you something. I'm coming back to you there, sir. Just give me a little chance because let us see if I can catch my breath. Listeners, I running out of time, but this. Succulent. Oh, yes, Khadija. Oh, my. Oh. Very good, very good, very good. Eight 858-9553. 878-9553. Text that number, WhatsApp that number, and ask for the Zelle account, okay, or the Cash App, and tap the screen as you come on, and help us to achieve our life goals. And we're over 100,000. Thank you so much. It's 8:31 in Jamaica, and we go with you until 9 o'clock. Thank you so much. Remember, tomorrow morning, 11 o'clock. Hello Neighbor Daytime. It's a new show. We look forward to giving you the very best. News commentary. I can tell you. It's going to be fantastic. Tomorrow, going to be fantastic. So much. And a beer help us to achieve our life goal on screen. Here now, we have a encyclopedia online with us.
Yes, sir.
And he said, I'm coming back to you, sir. Don't move. He's helping us to understand some words. Okay. All right. So at 11 o'clock tomorrow, we'll start something new. We will have
Remember, you remember when
hold on. Woman of God? Woman of God? Okay. All right. Please, guys, help us to achieve our life goal on screen. Please help us to do that. Let's go back to Power Man. Power Man?
Yes, neighbor. Yeah,
Come on.
neighbor. Yeah, neighbor. You remember when Mr. Gowen did resign and Mr. Andrew did take over the perimeter for a short while?
Yes.
For a short while. Well, his standard at that time was ephemeral. He did an ephemeral stint in his first career. Ephemeral.
Yes. Short stint.
That means short-lived, ephemeral.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So his first time at the PM, it was ephemeral. It was short-lived.
Short-lived. Very good.
But now he gonna be here for perennial affairs. Perennial affairs.
Yes. Long time.
Yes, because St. Lucia St. Lucia Prime Minister is going for a 7th term next year. So I think Mr. Holness is gonna be in that record like Dr. Ralph Gonzalez, you know.
Yes, Gonzalez is really been going, sir.
Yeah, yes, he's going for 7th term next year, straight unbroken terms.
Yes.
So when I hear a person talking about that, they don't think it's gonna happen, you know. It is going to happen.
You think Holness is going to go on, sir?
Yes, it's gonna happen, neighbor.
Oh.
Neighbor, politics is like a sports, you know. It is like a sports. PJ have the record. PJ have the record. He equal it. He's gonna pass it.
Okay. Well.
And neighbor, I can tell you, a 4th-term victory is easier than a 3rd-term victory. Mark it down.
I think so too. I think so too. Yes, you're correct.
It's gonna be an easier victory.
I don't want to say too much because I think I don't want the comments to get a little bit too disheartened. But I think that should the Labour Party press for a 4th term, it's gonna be very easy. And you know something,
it's gonna be easy, neighbor.
If they get a 4th term, they could also get a 5th and a 6th term.
Yes.
Because the thing about this Labour Party, you know, sir, is that they are performing.
Yeah.
It's a government that has a vision. The thing you can clearly to see with Holness, is that he's a man with a vision.
Yes.
He does. Yeah. I'll address that tomorrow. He's a man with a vision, sir. And you know what they say, without a vision, the people what, sir? Perish.
Perish, sir.
He's the first prime minister that you can actually see where he's taking the country.
Yes.
The others were spell and guess. Siaga was a bit like that too. But the others were all over the place. This prime minister, sir.
When I'm watching the campaign trail, sir, and when I look some place where the man go, and people, all young, everybody I run out and greet and whatever and all those things. I'm telling you. 2 things.
You can see the parts, sir. And let me tell you something. One of Holness's greatest achievement is that he has brought hope back to the hope, sir. Hope.
Yeah.
The Jamaican people are feeling hopeful.
The man is a demotic prime minister, so he's very demotic.
A demotic prime minister.
Yeah, it's very popular. Very popular. Demotic.
That's right.
Yeah.
A demotic prime minister. Yes.
Yeah. Very popular.
Listeners, you're learning big words over here tonight. You can't get this anywhere else in Jamaica. A demotic prime minister. There we have it.
Yes.
Yes.
And I think he's gonna be there for perennial affairs.
A perennial affairs. Yes. There you go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because when you lay the groundwork, you know, and you continue to build on it, all who never want to be friends with you, they're gonna automatically have to be friends with you, you know.
It becomes irresistible, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
when the groundwork lay and whatever, even all who was against, they have to do themselves. You can't beat them, neighbor, you join them.
That is right.
Yes. And that is what is going to happen, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is what is going to happen. 2 things captivated me when the man was on the campaign trail. A lady called him and said, give him a support. And then buy all the juice from the lady and buy all the shots the lady was selling. You know? That's a man for the people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very demotic. He's a demotic man.
Yes. Holness is demotic.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Well, I thank you for talking to us tonight, sir.
Yeah, neighbor, I'm gonna leave. I have a word that I'm gonna leave with you, and it's the reality. Anagapesia.
Use that in a sentence for me.
All right. Most men nowadays are experiencing anagapesia.
What is it that they're experiencing, sir?
Anagapesia, meaning that you're married to your wife, I have your spouse, and the love lasts. That it can't mean again. It can't mean again.
Hold on there. Say that.
anagapasia.
And you said most men today, they are experiencing anagapasia?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
What it means again?
When you have your wife or your spouse and the love lasts, and no matter the current thing where you get or whatever, you come like love can't end again.
So the passion fades. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, it fades.
It's anagapis. Anagapis means fading passion.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So when passion fades, you experience anagapis.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So romance is no longer there.
Yeah, nothing at all. You come like no matter the counseling where you get and the encouragement to get it back, anagapasia take control.
That's why that's why you get no bun.
Yes, because anagapasia, so you then be business you get bun because the passion is not there again.
You're not even care.
Not even care. Anagapasia.
Yes. Anagapis. Anagapis is a loss of passion.
Yeah.
You know, when romance dies.
Yeah. And the last one.
Yes.
Henpecked. The last one. Henpecked.
Uh-huh.
A lot of men I go through it nowadays. They have some abusing powers and them still seeing it. They call it henpecked. 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 Yeah. Abusive female and them still saying it, you know, henpeck. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I see. Well, I tell you something. I like the anagapis.
Yes. The one the reality nearby, reality.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Reality.
I tell you the truth. Uh-huh. Henpecked. Okay.
Yes.
Henpecked. All right.
Yeah. Because you have some wife nowadays then cross and miserable more than the man them still like a henpeck.
I wonder why they're miserable, sir. Because the man anagapis.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. They not get no love.
Yeah.
The love in dry up.
Love in dry up.
Lord Jesus, man. Hey. They thirsty.
It's neighbor.
They thirsty, sir. They're flabbergasted.
The flabbergasted are them gobsmacked. Them gobsmacked.
Guess what?
The word flummox. The word flummox. Gobsmacked mean the same word. Astounded, dumbfounded, they mean the same, yeah.
I see. Oh, yeah. Wow. Uh-huh.
Yes, but all I'm said and done, neighbor, I am crestfallen, really crestfallen of the election results still. I'm really crestfallen about it.
I too.
Yeah.
Yes. I too, sir.
Yeah.
I too. Where is your wife? Where is your wife?
She's in Bermuda, neighbor.
Uh-huh. So are you not suffering anagapis? No?
No, neighbor, because you know, you have the YouTube and everything, you know.
You're struggling, man. Come on.
And I got no.
Yes, okay. Oh boy, I tell you the truth. Well, it's nice talking to you, sir. So how you manage with her there? How you manage?
Well, neighbor, it's a clandestine response, you know. After response surreptitiously, you know. That's a clandestine.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Vaseline.
Neighbor. No, I'm saying that I have to deal with that now clandestine man. I can't fit for airplay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, neighbor.
Bye-bye. You must come again.
All right. Okay, all right.
Hey, Henriquez, thank you so much. Help us to achieve our life goals, guys, before we go at 9 o'clock, 876-858-9553. It's a Sunday. And Anagapis. Oh, you learn a new word, anagapis, huh? Gradual fading of passion and romance in your relationship. You're suffering anagapis. I tell you what. You better text your guy. Text him. Text your husband and your wife. Text your girlfriend and your boyfriend and tell them that you're suffering anagapis. 876-858-9553. WhatsApp that number if you're in the United States. Text if you're in Canada, England, United Kingdom, all over the world. You can WhatsApp us on that number, okay? Oh, Marie, suffer no more, girl. Join us tomorrow at 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. for Hello Neighbor. Take time and at 7 o'clock prime time, all right? 876-858-9553. When will I see you again? I'll see you tomorrow, all right? 876-858-9553. All right. No, we're not going. We're going on till 9 o'clock, okay? We're beginning something new tomorrow. 876-858-9553. If you want to support Neighbor and the team, 876-858-9553. Look at Power Man in the chat, killing us with big words. Do you want to support us? Do you want to support this program? 876-858-9553. Please remember, tap the screen, share the live, and of course, they always post a live goal. That's also for you. Navi, you have 2 minutes.
Oh, neighbor, I was just asking, since you love music, right, neighbor?
I love music?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I do, yes.
No, I was asking the chat for a song to play tomorrow at my elective.
What type of electivities and what song would be appropriate?
So it's a arts and music elective, well, music technology, and I play the violin, so I wanted a song. For my introduction class, you have to play a song, whatever instrument you can play, basically.
Can you play the violin?
Yes, neighbor, I can play the recorder, a piano, the violin.
Do you know this song now? Huh?
Neighbor, but maybe it's different. But if you like the teacher, wouldn't you, like me? I tried to be I was always at the top of the class because I wanted attention. So if you like the person, you try to get them attention. And I realized that the only way I could get his attention if I was at the top of the class, and that's what I did. But the entire time, for the 3 years I was in that class, I was the top of the class.
My goodness. You have a song to play tomorrow on a violin, right?
Yes, neighbor, that's my best instrument.
And what song are you thinking about?
I don't know, neighbor. I don't want it to be cliche and play like Bob Marley, because I think they would have expected that. I just want something.
I think they may want some reggae. They may want some reggae. I don't have a clue. Maybe the listeners could help you decide what song to play. Listeners, what song should Navi play at her class tomorrow? Please remember, guys, as we go, that We have something new for you tomorrow between 11 and 2 o'clock. 11 a.m. to 2 p.m.